Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Happy Fridays on the other way around. Today, this is the freebie. It's a beautiful page with a bit of creative license in here because yeah, I kind of altered the color a little bit. I did fancy some lime as well, some orange with the green peel. No, in all seriousness, I wanted to create a freebie that's taken inspiration from one of the VIP packs that you get this month. All my lovely VIP members will have received the pack in the beginning of the month. So this is the freebie which is taken into inspiration from one of the pages. Before I share more details about this freebie, let me show you the VIP paper packs for this month. Okay, the first kit is called Addicted to Chocolate. Put your hands up if you're addicted to chocolate. I'll put mine up. This kit has got 4 pages, and basically what I had in my head, I wanted to create some background, to create cards, tags, etc, etc, etc. Now, as you can see, on each page you have 4 different backgrounds. They will make fabulous cards. You just need to put your sentiment. That you can split into 2 and make some tags. You can fold them and make some little notebooks. So many things. Got a couple ideas I want to do with this. So let me just show you the 4 pages. So it's all about chocolate, milk chocolate, cream, desserts, waffles, and so on. So, oh, look at that. I could just eat that now. Love, love, love. Look at that. I could just get a spoon and eat up like a chocolate custard. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at that. So that's kit number 1. Kit number 2, it's called Pastel Pinks. Now, this is quite shabby, pretty pastel, very feminine, very elegant. I love it. I'm sure you guys will like it too. So you've got 1 page full of background. You've got some flowers and butterflies. Some tags. You can just ready-made. And then I added a geometric. If you watch my channel for a while, you know I'm a man of contrast. I like those 2 together. I like the structure or geometric print with the contrast of fluidity of flowers and curves, etc. So I love those 2 together. So you get that, and then you get another page with 1 scallop envelope and 2 small envelopes. So this is your traditional rectangular envelope. So you got the back, the 2 sides, the bottom and the front, and then this is just simply, that's the 2 tabs. Fold that up and fold it over, and that's your envelope. And then my favorite, and I left it for last, is called Good and Fresh. It's called Good and Fresh purely because, in fact, let me show you. Ta-da! It's very summery, it's very bright, it's full of goodness. So there's a lot of vitamin C, there's a lot of vitamin D. No, in all seriousness, do you know in summertime when it's very warm and you're outside, you're having a really cold drink, and you have some fruit, you feel the goodness of the fruit and you feel fresh. I hope I'm making sense. So this is why it's called Good and Fresh. So you've got 1 background. You have a page with pillow boxes in 2 different sizes. It's mainly gift boxes. Okay, then you've got another page with a cube gift box. So can you see the 4 sides of the cube? That's the 2 sides, that's the lid. Then you have a milk carton gift box. You know, if you're familiar with my channel, I love making this. This is what it looks like when it's done. So you've got your 4 squares, which are 1, 2, 3 and 4, the base, and then the 2 triangles is where the box folds inside, and then the rectangle is the top. Okay, and then you've got another page with another background. There's some pomegranate, there are some what do you call this, not berries, oh, So, oh god, do you know what I mean? Oranges, etc, etc. So yeah, so that's the 3 paper pack. But also Christine is one of my VIP members. She gave me an idea. I always ask every month to my VIP members, to you guys, what would like to do for next month, and Christine gave me a fabulous idea. And Christine, and I will put Christine comment on the screen. Christine said, why don't you give us some gift boxes to make? Of course I made a gift boxes, but then I thought, no, let's do something special. So from now on until the next, how many letters there are, each month my VIP members will receive an a letter gift box. So we would do all the letters, one a month, and then after the letters are gone, we will do numbers as well. Okay, so I print this on copy paper, but I also printed on my cardstock, and I'll show you in just a minute. So this is what you get. So you get 1 page with the instruction. Okay, so that's the front and that's the back of the gift box. That's the 2 sides that go there. That goes on top. Those 2 go there. So the small one will be there and the triangle will be there. And then those ones follow the bottom of the letter. Okay, and this is the back. So when you print it, this is the back and that's the front. As you can see, I already done the hard work for you. You just need to cut it and put it up together. But what we're going to do, part of the VIP membership, you guys get a video tutorial. So we will do it together, how you put this up. Okay, so I printed on a cardstock because of course you want your gift box to be steady. Okay, and this is what the letter A looks like when it's all done up. So it's very, very simple. I've done a video for my VIP members. So part of the package, you get a video tutorial on how to put these up. But it's quite straightforward. So you've got the 2 sides, the top. This one goes inside, and the 5 sides, which are those 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so once done up, is like that. So as I said, I have printed on pink cardstock, but if you want to print it on a white cardstock and make it really thick, this will be less pink. It will be more like this. It's just a different, feel, I guess. But I did want something pink because I'm going to make each letter in different colors, of course, and different designs. So give you a variety of, design and colors. So not all the letters will be floral, will be different geometric or, floral print. I will being creative or when I design the letters. Okay, so if you guys are interested to join in, let me show you how the VIP membership works and where to find it on my website. Okay guys, so this is my website. When you click on VIP Lounge, this is the screen that will appear. So it says choose your monthly membership plan. As a VIP member, you get super spoiled. Join today for special treat. I have 3 monthly subscriptions and the yearly membership. So it's completely up to you. You can pay monthly or you can just pay one off that will last for 12 months. On the monthly basis, we have the pink butterfly, the blue butterfly and the gold butterfly. With the pink butterfly, you will get 10% discount across all digital papers on my website, 1 mini, which is a 4 pages digital paper pack, and a monthly special offer or a gift. With the blue butterfly, which is £4 a month, you will get 20% discount across all digital papers on the website, 2 minis, which is 4 pages each, digital papers, and then a monthly special offer and gift. With the £5 one, which is the gold butterfly, which is the premium one, you get everything. You get 30% discount across all digital papers. You have all the 3 4 pages digital paper packs. All the paper packs are designed specifically for the VIP members. They're not available for everybody else on the website. A monthly offer and also 1 A5 size fine art print delivered to your home address and a special video with project and tutorial. Okay, With the 12 months one, which is the £45, you just pay upfront. It will last 12 months and it's the same benefit as the Gold Butterfly. So when you join the Gold Butterfly, I say here it is A5 size fine art print delivered. Basically, as it's one of those ones. So the Idea Fairy or the Muse of Poetry, they are printed on watercolor paper and then get shipped to your home address for free, because I offer complimentary delivery for all my VIP members. Okay, so it's up to you guys. So you've got 3 different memberships, monthly or a yearly one. Okay guys, as usual, you get this on my Facebook group, and also the freebie gets sent every Friday at 9 p.m. on my newsletter, and I will put here on the screen what it looks like. It's just an email with a recap of the week, the paper of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code and lots of you use it to treat themselves. Why not? And there is always a freebie attached to the email. Okay, so make sure you check your attachment. So yeah, enjoy guys. Don't forget to download, and when you're on my Facebook group, you can download 300 freebies that I have shared in the last 2-3 years. So it's a really interactive platform, so don't forget to join me over there as well. Guys, if you like my freebie, please consider giving a big thumbs up, because it really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Your love and support honestly means the absolute word to me and Jamie. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful weekend. I'm gonna be working this weekend, but it's okay because I'm off next one, and next weekend we're going to London, so I'm very excited. So thank you so much for watching guys, from the bottom of my heart. Okay guys, I hope you liked this freebie. If you did, huge big thumbs up, because you're telling YouTube how much you love my content. I will put 2 videos on the screen in a minute. One where we made some zigzag pockets, fabulous junk journal ideas, and then another one when we made some embellishment. So keep watching guys, and then until Monday, stay safe and well, and have a fabulous weekend. Mwah.